Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use navigation on Mazda CX-30. Tap NAV to open the map and pinch to zoom, then enter an address by tapping search or pressing the voice button and speaking clearly. Choose a suggested route and press Start to begin guidance. Follow the turn-by-turn prompts on screen and in the heads-up display, and use the rotary dial for safe adjustments while driving. Open the NAV menu and select Search or Destination to enter where you want to go. Speak the full address or tap the keyboard to type a street, city, or POI. Review the route options and pick the preferred one, then save the location to favorites if you plan to return often. This keeps navigation fast and reduces distraction while driving, and it works smoothly with the Mazda Connect system and steering wheel controls. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers that seal reliably and stack neatly in your trunk or fridge, perfect for road trips and packed lunches after a test drive. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After entering a destination, examine route choices and pick fastest, shortest, or toll-free depending on your needs. Turn on traffic overlay to see delays and choose an alternate route when available. Adjust guidance voice volume and map orientation to suit your preference, and keep eyes on the road by using steering wheel controls or the rotary dial to make changes. Always set navigation before you start driving to stay safe and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.